Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Edge 40 Pro, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. So to get started, we're going to turn off our device, so swipe down once more, and this will reveal our power button at the bottom. Click on it and then select power off. Now once the phone turns off, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. This will take us to our boot mode, in which, using volume keys, you will navigate the options in order to select recovery mode, so it's visible right over here, and press power button to confirm it. Now in a second we will see Android with no command, exactly like this one. And in here you want to hold power button and press volume up once, which will take us to our recovery mode. And in here, just as before, we're gonna use our volume buttons to navigate up and down. And we want to select wipe data factory reset, then confirm it with power button, factory data reset, and there we go. It's gonna start formatting data at the bottom, as you can see. Give it a second, and next thing we should see is data wipe complete. There we go. At which point, once it says data wipe complete, a reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again. This will initiate that reboot and continue the process of resetting your device in the background. Because of that, it will take the phone a little bit longer to boot back up, but still, this phone boots up in like a minute or so. So I'm gonna let it run through and come back once I can see my setup screen. Oh, and there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.